At the chair of Astronautics, we already have in-depth experience with teleoperation solutions, and we wanted to see if we could combine them with industrial processes that often have the same requirements. Bin picking with robots has been solved already. There are already solutions that can handle known rigid objects like, for example, screws that you can pick from a box, and you can have these solutions commercially available. But our objects are flexible. I mean, they are pieces of clothing. They have a different shape every time, and with every different item, the ideal grasping point that you want to hit is a different one. Franca provides a lot of technology that we could utilize for our project. They are already targeting the picking of everyday items. They have robots that have haptic capabilities, and this is what we need for our flexible items. Our robot has been in Mönchengladbach at the Fiege facility for 6 days for some industrial testing. And there we found a work cell that was made for a human worker, and we could just put our robot in there. We don't need a robot cell, a protective cage, nothing of that sort. And we were able to take over the process with our robot and achieved a pick rate of over 4,000 picks per day, theoretically. We had been picking of clothes now in this project, but the approach itself, taking an autonomous robot and augmenting it with a human operator, can also be used to handle a lot of different work scenarios.